Welcome to Paul's Selection. This episode of Paul's Selection, we have an unboxing experience that I would like to do with you guys together. This time, this one is perfume from the House of Oud, and this one is called The Time. The House of Oud is a perfume brand from Italy. This one is in the size of 100 ml. Oh no, actually it's 75 ml. Or the perfume or 2.5 fluid ounce. This is also one of my blind buy. So let's find out about this together. As you can see here that I'm not really a gentle person. For those of you who are new here, this channel we talk about things in life, selection, how we choose things that we like. We have different reasons, we have different story, we have different requirement. And the reason that I have decided to buy this, the Time or the perfume from this house, the House of Oud, is basically just based on the appearance of the bottle. I'm not sure if you have ever heard of this brand before, but I haven't. This is actually my first time seeing this brand, and let's find out. Well, it has the sleeve. Okay, this sleeve is made of, well, you can see here is just paper. It can slide out just like that. Here, okay, it's a paper box as well, a cardboard, and it has here like a shelf that can be pulled out like this. Now, can you see what I'm talking about? Wow, this is really a piece of art. So inside you can see here, this is a story behind it. The piece of a jewel of artistry. Its craftsmanship makes every piece unique. No two are alike. Any minor imperfections on the surface of the bottle are evidence of the work of the Italian craftsman who decorated this masterpiece of style. Well, what did they talk about? This is what they are talking about. Actually, this is a cap and this is a bottle. It's made of grass. It is made of grass. That looks like eggshell, right? So I am showing you here all direction of the bottles. At the base here is thoo or the House of Oud, with the description here at the bottom, 75 ml for the perfume made in Italy. And here it is. So this is the base. It's made of some kind of metals, clearly, and this is the bottle. To see how it looks like. In the bottom of the cap, okay, I'm not sure how should I call it, a cap or at the bottom, but a cap that works as a bottom, because at the end it would stay like this, so you can put it on the shelf like this. But when you apply it, okay, let's put it here. Let's see how the spray. It's like, okay, quite nice. Wow, I would say that, well, from the first spray, this is like tea-like fragrance. I don't smell any oud in this fragrance at all. But anyway, like I said, I bought this because of the bottle, not because of the smell. But the smell is not that bad, but I can tell that it's very light. I would imagine that myself, I might need to put on at least 10 sprays to keep myself smelling like it's supposed to for the whole day. Well, here, this is the time from the House of Oud. And well, again, if you like something like this, well, please like, subscribe, or let's talk about what you think about this kind of perfume. Okay, this house of perfume, the House of Oud, have you ever tried it? Or even this one, the Time. If you have tried it, please let me know what you think about it. And please keep in touch. Stay safe, stay healthy, and until next time. สวัสดีครับ